Hello, incredible. Hello, coaches. How are you?
Oh, fine.
Great, awesome, coach. How are
Awesome.
you?
How are
I'm
you?
fine and doing great. And you people?
We are also
Superb.
doing well. Superb.
Yeah, we are actually in a jumping modes with power leaps,
Yes.
taking leaps.
We are
Sure,
fully
sure.
charged. I want to do.
Exactly.
Yes, and that. Yes.
Uh, sure, rock stars. I have something
Mhm.
special. I have something special. And today is the unleash you. It's the beginning. It's just the beginning. Okay. So unleash you is it shall give you depth clarity based on what you make decisions. Unleash you. So let's go to page number 87. I want you to read, Miss Alka. I want you to read.
Yeah.
You have the manual?
So just unleash you, destroy any obstructions that may come in the way of your outcomes, and discover what kind of impact your friends and other people you spend time with have on you.
Okay. So the next thing is let's move on to the next page. It's page 88 of obviously uh, it's my past decisions. Okay. The purpose of
Yes.
the activity is for you to be aware of where and how you couldn't make a good decision in your past. So answer the questions, okay? And
Yes.
let me know the purpose of this
Okay.
activity. Yeah, about your about your past decisions and all.
First, yes, yes.
So I'd like to start with Miss Alka.
Yeah.
So
Done,
what,
coach.
so what was your personal decision uh, that you had made in the past that turned out to be a bad or wrong decision?
Uh,
Turned out to be bad or wrong?
for me,
Yeah.
yeah, for me it was like a decision of not continuing by my working as an interior designer.
Okay.
I was and I stopped it. Yeah, so that was a bad decision.
Now after the consequences, you've realized that the decision was wrong. So what would you differently do about such a decision?
I could have actually made a choice of expressing myself, telling them, keeping my point to my elders that I want to continue working.
Okay, okay.
So that different I should have done. I should have taken an initiative.
So how would your life have been today if the decision was taken in a right way?
I would have been more confident, majorly financially independent. From
Okay,
past 16 years, I would have upgraded myself. I
okay,
would be having my own space of work. Life would have been really different.
okay. So, Mr. Uh, thank you, Ms. Alka. So I'll come back to
Thank you.
Mr. Pradeep.
Yes. Yes.
So tell us about a personal decision. Tell us about your personal decision that
Turn
turned
wrong.
out
Yes.
to be wrong. Yeah, in the past.
Yes. Yes. I wanted to become a scientist, but I took a wrong decision to join a bank.
Okay. So
Yes.
now that after the consequence you have realized that the
Mm.
decision was wrong. So
Mm.
what would you have done differently about such a decision?
Yes, yes. I should have changed my mind and I should have resigned from the bank and have pursued studies in science by doing post graduation and research in the field of science.
How would your life have been today if the decision was taken in a right way?
Oh, I would have been a Dr. Pradeep, and a head of department of
Oh,
some physics department. So I am very elated
so
after doing this.
yeah.
Yes.
So what do you learn? So what do you learn from this activity?
I have learned that the right decision could have taken my life in such a way that a turnaround could have happened.
Okay, and what about you, Mr. Vikas? What did you learn?
I actually learned that making decision, whether it be small or big, it is actually deciding every second of yours,
Okay,
where you put your energy. So
okay,
good decisions make you feel energetic, lively, takes you towards happiness.
okay.
Right. Yes.
So so next, like we go on to page 91, decision making wheel. Okay, so I want Miss Alka to read this out about the decision making wheel. Like,
Yeah.
yeah,
So no more making wrong decisions and no more feeling overwhelmed with problems. We have a tool for you that will resolve your problems by making right decision in a step-by-step manner.
Okay.
Decision making wheel is an online tool that will make you think about a certain problem critically by asking your set of questions. At the end of all the questions, you will come to know about necessary information for you to make the right decisions.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, coach. It's
Okay. One second. Yeah. So after this, I would like to tell you something about the thing. So the purpose of this activity is for you to understand how the decision making tool can help you make the right decision in a certain kind of situation. So there are step by step instructions. The first step is that I shall broadcast the tool uh, to you both.
Yes.
The next step is that go to the software and open the decision making tool. Click in the center of the tool to write down what the problem is, the hypothetical one. Okay, hypothetical one. And
Yes.
step three, once the problem is stated, go through each section around the wheel and answer the question in each section. Okay.
Yes.
The last step, step four, is repeat the same process for the hypothetical
okay.
scenario too. Let's
Okay.
guys, yeah,
Right.
and let me know if it's completed.
Yeah.
Done. Done.
Okay, it's done. My,
Yeah. Done. Done,
Done.
coach.
Done.
yeah, okay. So I would like to ask you, what have you learned from this activity?
Uh,
Yeah,
shall I answer, Pradeep, or
yeah,
you want to go first?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I actually, it really made me think how before making decision I can actually consider my choices, consequences, and now when I'm aware about my baselines as well to come to the final decisions. It's an amazing process actually. It was really good. I think making decision through this wheel will make us give us a lot of clarity.
Yes. Right.
okay, okay. So I'd like to continue with you, Mr. Pradeep.
Yes. 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 I have got more clarity about my objectives by taking right decision because it has given me the clarity of what are the problem, what are the solutions. So really, it's just helpful too much.
Okay, so let's move on to the next activity. It's like next activities. Let's make a decision. So let's move on to page 98. Okay, the purpose of this
Yes.
activity is for you to ensure that you make the right decision for a real problem in your life using the decision making tool. So
Yes.
the steps are like the same, and I have to follow the same process as the hypothetical one,
Yes. Mm.
and then I'll ask you something. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yes, you can begin.
Done, coach.
Done. Done. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So I would like to start with Miss Alka. So what's the problem?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The problem is to shift the house. That is a problem where we are
So
actually
what?
staying.
So what are the choices you have?
My choices I have is to stay in the same house, to shift in a better locality, or to renovate the house where we are actually staying.
So what do you think the consequences of these choices
Yeah,
of these
the
choices?
consequences my kids and parents
Mm-hmm.
will be happy as they have if we stay in the same house because they have their people around, they have their walking friends, play time, and everything.
Okay, okay,
My husband won't be satisfied because he wants to move to the luxurious locality.
okay.
So that is the consequences they be faced.
So what baselines do you need to consider?
For my first one, I have to consider that justice, happiness, that is there. But the second one to shift, that is my husband's choice to shift. In there, we have a growth, and there is a
How
making
do,
difference.
how do you feel about the situation?
I'm feeling very confused. I'm feeling if we shift by chance, will we have the same kind of comfort? So
Okay.
that confusion is there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. 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 Is there anything else you need to learn about it?
I think we can. I need to know whether we can renovate this same house.
Do you need to ask for help? Who will you ask?
Yeah, I will ask the parents to for help, take them also to the whole process, and then we can all come together into one decision.
So what is the decision? So what is the decision? I mean the final one.
The final decision is to actually renovate the house
Okay.
by shifting temporary somewhere.
Do you think you made the right decision and why?
Yeah, I think I made the right decision. Why? Because uh, this the house we live with the family, and this decision will automatically connect it for the happiness of all the family members.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's a right decision.
So Mr. Pradeep, I would like to come to you. Oh, thank you, Miss Alka.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So Miss Alka, so Mr. Pradeep, I would like to come with you. So what is your problem?
My problem is I want to earn money, but my family members don't want it
So
because of my poor health.
so what are the choices you have?
My choice is either I have to leave this idea or stick to my decision.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
So what are the baseline? What are the baseline that you need to consider?
My yes, my baselines like compassion, zeal, satisfaction are to be considered.
So what is your so what is your decision?
My final decision is to do the business and job to earn money. As-
Do you think you made the right decision?
Yes, because my objective will be to
Why?
objectives will be completed by satisfying my baseline and the purpose of that to earn money will be satisfied.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So lastly, like I would just want to ask both of you, what did you learn from this process?
Yeah,
This process.
actually, we have learned so much in depth that I have actually thought that for every decision, I'm going to use this decision making wheel. I just want to inculcate it, I have to make this as my habit. It is
Yes.
so beautiful. It gives so much clarity about what we can do, how we can do. In fact, we can make our kids also to do. Nowadays,
Yeah, yeah.
kids have a lot of problems of distractions. If they go through this, they're so much strongly they can take their decisions.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. And what about me? And what about you, Mr. Pradeep?
Yes, it is an eye opener because as an individual, you have to take every moment as some decisions, short or a big. Even if you are in any position in corporate boss or some organization, there we have to take decisions. Every walk of life, we have to take decisions. And if it is right decision, you will get success in every step of life. That's
Oh,
the beauty of this.
okay,
Yes.
okay. So that's it. So we'll move on to the next activity. The next day of
Yes.
course, Earth Day,
Yes. Yes.
Earth
Yes.
Women's Month. We shall go to the thing, and then
Mm.
finally,
Let us do the ritual.
yeah, definitely we should do a ritual.
Sure.
You remember,
Yes.
obviously you remember.
Okay.
You have a strong memory. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Everybody.
Anyway,
All are have a
yeah,
strong memory.
let's,
Okay.
let's start. I'm counting three. One, it's two, it's three. Woo!
Ooh,
Rock
rock
stars.
stars.
That's
Yes.
great. Yeah.
That's
See
good.
Okay.
you the next time.
Thank you,
See
Coach. Bye
you.
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. Good day. Enjoy yourself.
Good day.